Hello everyone, this is Collins, your freedom trader, trading to freedom. So today the markets closed yesterday, and I'm going to analyze the Euro USD so that we see where it's going by next week, um, and I give my own opinion on how it's gonna be like next week for the Euro USD. So for me, before I start uh, um, analyzing, I look first at the market structure because I basically trade market structure only, demand and supply, and that's it. I only have the moving average, as you can see, the exponential moving average, and that's it. So basically, my first thing I do is I check the market structure. I see the neckline here has been broken. This is a fake breakout, and if it's going to continue up, then it has to prove itself by crossing this level of 1.1036. If it doesn't cross that level, then it's not gonna buy. So right now we are not thinking. Right now, what I have on my mind is I'm not buying Euro USD at all. So after checking the market structure, the next thing I do is I I then see, like, I go to the candlesticks. So what am I seeing here? I'm seeing a shooting star, which is a very good signal. Yeah, I'm seeing a shooting star here, which is a very good sell signal. So we're gonna stick with that. It's further confirmation that this was a fake breakout, and I'll be looking for sales. But yet I'm not gonna sell yet because the market has not fully broken this neckline. Still it's consolidating, and my it has not broken the moving average yet. So it's still above the moving average, and from here you would see the market doesn't show any signs of kind of it just broke out. Maybe it's retesting to continue. We're still not certain. So to be further certain, what I would do with Euro USD is I'm not gonna make it a priority pair. I'm not gonna put it as my number one pair to trade tomorrow. I mean on Monday. No, uh, but I will keep it. I'll analyze. I will make the setup, and then I can trade it if I see certain if the market comes to me. So I will set up my trades and wait for the market to come to me. If it doesn't come, I will not trade Euro USD. So first I go to the economic calendar. I go for the next 7 days. That is to check the fundamentals, which is very important as well. So for the Euro USD, we are checking events on Euro area and the US dollar, America. So that's Australia. We are looking at major events at the Euro area and the US. So okay, here we have a major event. For swing traders, you don't even have to check when or if you want to enter after the event. Okay, no problem, because for me, I prefer to look at the market weekly. Then I know exactly uh, when the market comes to me and give me a signal, I enter whenever. So I don't fab about events. At times I don't rely on events. At times events will instead reverse the trades to my direction. It's always happen like that. When you are a swing trader, you already have a bigger picture of the market. You don't care much about events. Events are mostly for day traders and scalpers. So but I I still look at the events to know exactly which direction the market will be going for the next week. So on the 14th of March, we are looking at the US dollar core inflation rate. So since we are trading forex, we're mostly concerned with inflation because it affects the finance or the financial markets directly, and the impact is always very high on the financial market. So I'll mostly look at the inflation rate, the core inflation rate. The US previous was 5.6, forecast is 5.5. So this is a strong, it shows a strong economy uh, for the US, and also 6.4 previous 6. So it shows that it shows the inflation rate is going down for the US. That means a stronger dollar. So we look at the inflation rate for the these ones also are good, the retail sales, but they don't affect the finance, the forex market. They don't impact the forex market as the inflation will do. So we check further. 16th March, we still have building permits. um, Euro area, okay, interest rates also, they do affect um, the market, almost like the financial market directly. So we have to check the interest rates of the euro area. Previous was at 3%, forecast is 3.5. What does this say? It says there will be an increase in the as per the forecast here, there will be an increase in the interest rate. So this means a weaker euro for next week, and we saw previously a stronger dollar. So we are this confirms also my technical analysis, which said, hey, the market is gonna sell. Yeah, it's gonna sell next week. So the higher the interest rate, the less people use that currency because they don't want to borrow money, they don't want to take money out with the higher with the higher interest rate. So that's it. And the government also does that to kind of limit money from the circulation, like to limit people from taking money out, so as to maintain a certain amount of money in the circulation. So we are now seeing a weaker euro area and a stronger dollar. So another one, the core inflation. Remember, we had a core inflation of the dollar of the US, which was stronger. Then this one, the previous was 5.3, forecast is 5.6, so it's higher. The inflation rate in the euro area for next week is going to be higher as per this forecast here. So that means a weaker euro next week. So that said, we come back to our technical analysis. So if we have a weaker euro and a stronger dollar next week, it means it's a sell. But we are not going to just jump in and sell. For swing traders, you will not just jump in and sell. You only sell where you find another signal here. Oh, the market has broken this moving average. If the market breaks this moving average down here, if the market say it breaks this level, then we can sell. If the market breaks this level, we can then sell below here for swing traders. If it doesn't, for buy, if you want to buy as a swing trader, you can only buy if the market breaks this level. And when it breaks, it doesn't mean that when the market breaks then you just jump in and buy. No, it breaks and gives a signal, then you buy. If the signal doesn't come, you don't. So for swing traders, you can only buy here. You can only buy here and sell here. here and sell here. Okay, that is for swing traders. If anything in between here, if anything happens around this area, if anything happens around this area, like a signal, then you can do something about it. Say for example, the market does something like this. It tries to, from here, it breaks and forms a lower high here and creates another shooting star. Then you can sell here. You can then sell at this level. You can then sell here. That is if you see a sell signal here. But if not, it's much preferable to wait the market to come and you sell at this area. Here you can just already by now you can just put your sell stop here and your TP. The TP, yeah, to be very sure you can then take your TP here. For sellers, you can take your TP here. That is 0.5 to 0.3. That is a 400 a 300 pip trade. Yeah, a 300 pip trade. Or if you want to kind of swing scalp, say you just want to collect just 100 pips, this is a very good level for you. This type of trade, you can enter it and then you chill around. You just go around chilling. You put your sell stop at this level here. Yeah, 1.0520. You put your sell stop there. Then you put take your TP at 1.0400. So that is 120 pip profit there for swing traders. With this, it can take you maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks for the trade to trigger. It can still trigger by next week. So as I said, if you are that guy who has a job and you are not constantly on the charts, this is exactly what you do. So for day traders, we're gonna come down here. For day traders, we're gonna come down here and then we'll look at it out. Okay, this one is not supposed to be there. So as we are looking, we see that okay, further confirmation for a sell for Euro USD next week is at the daily. The moving average, the price has already broken the moving average and it's trading below the moving average right now. If you are fan of indicators, for me, I used to use Ichimoku when I started trading, and Ichimoku further confirms, though here you see it's trading above the Ichimoku cloud, but when price is at this level at the Ichimoku cloud, it's about to break. It's about to break, and this is the best place to put your sell entry. So here, when you put your sell entry here with the Ichimoku, it's 100%. You're gonna get it. Like you can take TP even at this level. Yeah, you can even collect TP even at this level if you want to hold. Yeah, if you want to hold, you can collect TP right at this level. So me, I rarely use indicators because some of them, they will just waste your time. They will confuse you more, or they will make you gamble instead of trading. So it's about knowing the charts, knowing the markets, knowing exactly what you are doing. It's not gambling here. So with the daily show signs of consolidation. We still maintain this level here, even with the daily. We only sell if price breaks here. We can still put a sell stop here for at the daily, and we still maintain our TP here. So we can say this is our TP1. We can say that is our TP1, which is straight 100 pips. TP1 went elsewhere. Okay, so this is our TP1, which is a straight 100 pips, 1.0520 to 1.0400. That is TP1. And for those who want to hold, you can hold again. This is another level to collect, or if you want to be taking it in hundreds, you can still collect here. This is another level to collect. I'll just be, this can be a TP2, that will be TP2. Then if you want to hold further, TP3. So day traders can start trading from at this level. Yeah, so as I said, you're not going to do anything. You're going to wait for the market to come for you. By waiting, what do I mean? You, at this point, you don't trade inside this key level. As you can see, the market is consolidating, so you don't trade. For the market to break, it means there is a major move, and that move is going to continue for a very long time. So that's why I said you can only sell if the market breaks here with a bullish candle, with a very strong bullish candle. That is when you break, you that is when you can then consider the market coming down here. So these are not certain. These ones are only certain if the market breaks here and does not reject. If the market breaks here and does not reject, then these are certain. And for now, it will only go up. The market will only go up if this area is broken. Yeah, the market can only go up if it breaks above this area. That is for the daily. Then let's go to the hourly, to the 4 hours, and see. So yeah, as I said, the market can only go above this area if you can only buy if the market goes above this area here. Then you can put your buy stop here. This is for day traders also only. You can then put your buy stop here, which is also, if you're putting your buy stop here, then it's only a 30 pips or 50 pip trade. You don't have to trade you don't have to expect more from this trade unless it breaks this level here, as I said. But it depends on how the market is going to break up above this this level. So if it breaks above this level, it depends on how it's going to do it. Then we can then continue to trade or buy and see how it goes. So right now, since we are focused on selling, uh, if it goes above here, if it breaks this level, as I said, the most you can do is just 20 pips. You can take 30 pips, not more. Then you, even if it's going further than that, you don't have to worry. 30 pips is not bad. So for day traders, for further confirmation, this is what you can do also. This is what you can do also. um, for scalpers, let's say scalpers, because already at the 1 hour time frame you are a scalper already. If you are constantly on the chart and you really want to trade, okay, this is what you can do as a scalper. uh, this is a market formation here, which is, this is a good one here, which also broke already this level. It might go up, it might continuously, the market might continuously go up and break this level. The market might break this level here and go right up. But if it creates a lower high here, if it creates a lower high at this point, if the market creates a lower high at this point, then we will, what we'll only do is wait. Yeah, so the lower high the market is going to create here is going to be a signal. So what we can expect the market to do is for it to form a lower high here, and then form a lower high here with a signal, with a sell signal, and then you can then sell and take. This is for not scalpers, for day traders also. Yeah, you can then sell and take your TP even at this level. Yeah, you can then sell and take your TP even at this level. First TP, then second here. Yeah, but as I said, you wait for the market to come for you. If it's not just gonna cross and come down here now, it's gonna go up here. It forms it gives a signal, a sell signal. If it does not, gives a sell signal here and instead creates a bullish candle. If you find, if the market creates a bullish candle, if the market creates a bullish candle that breaks across, and that bullish candle breaks across this point here like this, if it breaks this level here, then you buy. So if this is a bullish candle, what you have to do is, it's a buy. You forget about selling, you forget completely about selling, then you only buy. If it does not, then you still maintain your selling. Yeah, so this is how the market it's gonna be for next week. And we ended at the 1 hour. So for you to get your buy or your sell signals here, for you to get your buy and your sell signals here, you have to come down to the 15 minutes. Yeah, you have to come down to the 15 minutes and wait for the market to give you a signal here. If it doesn't give you a signal here, so you'll be expecting a signal at this area. So you'll be expecting a signal at this area. If it does not gives a sell signal here, then you wait. If it does not give a sell signal here, then you only have to wait. Yes, you sell here, you can sell here. Even with this bullish candle, it will go if it breaks. If this is a bullish candle and it breaks here, then you have to wait for it to come back and retest this area. So when it breaks like this, you wait for it to come back and retest this area. uh, then you buy here. This is where you buy. Any area around here, you can then buy here. So that's it for the 1 hour, starting from the weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour and 15 minutes uh, 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 time frames. This is it for you guys. Thank you. This is Collins, trader to freedom, trading to freedom, financial freedom. uh, we're gonna go through this together. We're gonna go through all the ups and the lows together. So thank you guys. Signing out.